Hey everyone. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and Fitbit Charge 6 both represent the evolution of two successful fitness tracker lineups, though they approach their roles from very different angles. Xiaomi continues its strategy of delivering high-value, lightweight wearables at a budget-friendly price, while Fitbit, now owned by Google, focuses on deeper health insights and ecosystem integration. These two devices serve different audiences, but both compete in the same category: affordable, everyday fitness tracking. Design-wise, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 prioritizes compactness and comfort. Its dimensions are smaller and lighter than the Fitbit Charge 6, with a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic and a symmetrical bezel layout that gives the device a more polished appearance. The band is easy to wear and remains unobtrusive, ideal for users who want something light on the wrist. Meanwhile, the Fitbit Charge 6 features a more substantial and rugged design, with a larger aluminum case, silicone strap, and added heft that reflects its broader feature set. One of the more notable changes on the Charge 6 is the return of a haptic side button, offering greatly improved navigation, a design choice that blends form with function. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 impresses with its 1.72-inch display that reaches 1,500 nits of peak brightness, outperforming many competitors in visibility under sunlight. The symmetrical bezels enhance the modern look, while touch response is quick and fluid. On the Fitbit Charge 6, the screen is also sharp and bright, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. While not quite as expansive as Xiaomi's panel, it delivers good clarity and touch performance. Both devices support always-on display modes, though Fitbit's implementation is more restrained to preserve battery life. When it comes to health monitoring, the Fitbit Charge 6 pulls ahead with more advanced metrics. It features optical heart rate tracking, ECG support, EDA scans for stress, skin temperature variation, and SpO2 monitoring. Fitbit's heart rate accuracy, especially during intense workouts, has seen marked improvement over the previous generation and now tracks close to chest strap levels. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 includes heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, sleep, and stress tracking, as well as a wide range of fitness modes. With over 150 workouts, including GNSS-assisted outdoor sessions, it offers a comprehensive feature set for casual fitness users. However, its health data lacks the depth and clinical precision of Fitbit's ecosystem. Xiaomi's strength lies in its efficiency. The Smart Band 10 has a 233 mAh battery that easily lasts over a week, even with moderate use of always-on display and GPS-assisted workouts. It charges quickly via magnetic charging and is well optimized for long-term wear without frequent recharging. Fitbit claims up to 7 days of battery life for the Charge 6, but real-world usage, particularly with features like built-in GPS, continuous heart rate monitoring, and always-on display, yields closer to 3 to 4 days. The battery trade-off is the price for richer health features and background tracking. Charging time is roughly 1.5 hours. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is an ideal choice for users who want a stylish, lightweight tracker that covers all the basics and then some. Its bright display, excellent battery life, and vast workout support make it a strong contender in the entry-level segment. It's especially compelling for budget-conscious users or those who prefer a low-profile wearable that blends into everyday use. On the other hand, the Fitbit Charge 6 is better suited to users who want more detailed health tracking, seamless integration with the Google ecosystem, and better accuracy during workouts. While its GPS reliability leaves something to be desired and some features are gated behind subscriptions, the device offers serious fitness users more actionable data and a robust wellness platform. Ultimately, the decision comes down to use case. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is a polished, affordable daily tracker, while the Fitbit Charge 6 caters to those invested in long-term fitness progress and richer health insights. Both devices serve their purposes well, but their strengths lie in very different places. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Have a nice day and see you soon.